Oh, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here. This early in the morning. Okay? All right. So, drinking root beer this early in the morning. Yes, indeed, y'all. What's going on in this beautiful morning? Okay. Yep. About to cook me some tacos. Well, or should I cook spaghetti? One or the other. Okay. Drink some more because I get thirsty quick. Yes, indeed. So, okay. It's a beautiful morning out here. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning right out here. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not Nathan from Boys to Men, or Moby Dick from No Limit, or something like that. It's a beautiful morning. Look at all this stuff that we put out, you know. These some good memories, you know. Yep. This I had since we was living in New Iberia. I guess I told y'all that in the recording. Well, my grandmother's stuff. It was flies on. Yes, indeed. You know. So this right here, I asked since we was in New Iberia, the drawers came out. We took it out. You know. So we took that out. This right here was for my grandmother, you know, before she passed away. I'm sure gonna miss this thing. It's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff. It's so hard. I'ma take with me the memories to feel my sunshine while it rains. You know, it's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff. You know. Yep. I'm sure gonna miss all this stuff from New Iberia before Tanya came in my life, you know, and some stuff that I got now, you know. So, as y'all know, my mama bought me this, you know. This was for my grandmother. This was for me in my own room, as y'all already know. Well, y'all already saw it if y'all watched my previous videos during the recording, and if you're watching me on Facebook, you know, this, well, I don't know. Yes, indeed, you know, good stuff, you know. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is out. You see. Y'all won't be able to see the sun on this rate, you know. So many memories of all this good stuff. I can't believe this had to end. It had to end on a funny style, you know. So I'll show y'all the new stuff, either the recording or the Facebook Live. I don't know. Yeah, my uncle told me don't broadcast this, you know, because that time when I got my new television and stuff like that, he was a little upset. Y'all see the new TV? I don't know what movie this is. The old television right here. Yep, that was in the living room. Y'all know we had this since we was living in New Iberia, you know. And this is my mama old chest dresser, you know. Using that for a filing cabinet and storage, you know. And this pantry my mama bought, we only had this, we only got this while we was living here. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one day, I don't know when, okay? This mask ain't supposed to be here. Sheesh. Take this off. And make sure we there we go. All right. Yeah. How decorated that is, you know. Kitchen clean, living room clean, dining room clean, and stuff like that. Yeah. Yep. So as far as that goes, this table right here we had since we were living in a trailer park. We had a long one like this, but it broke down. I don't know why. And this stand right here, we had this since we was living in the Cherokee apartments, you know. Good memories. And that nightstand right there, or should they call it side tables? We had that since we were living in a trailer park. We had a chest of drawers like that. We got rid of that, you know. Oopsie. Oh, yeah. All right. I accidentally cut the ceiling fan off, you know. All right. Well. Not I feel comfortable in here now, you know. So, yeah, it's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff, you know. At least a thing that's from my mom is still here, you know. I know, you know, people say you got to get rid of things sometimes. So sometimes it's sad to get rid of precious memories, you know. Cause you know I keep this or that because it was from my mama, you know. At least I have my grandmother's nightstand and my auntie pillars. I wanted to keep her sofas, you know, but I wanted these sofas that I got now for the new house whenever I get the new house, you know. I really didn't want to get rid of my auntie sofas. I really didn't, you know. But at least I still have her recliner though, you know. But they're gonna say that there's gonna be a time that you gotta get rid of it. I really don't, you know. But as far as that, at least I still got her pillows though. I don't care how her pillows look. These are from her sofas, and those pillows right there from the old sofas that my mama had, you know. Yep. And another pillow like this, you know. Precious memories. My auntie. This is mine, just me, you know. And that coffee table and that lamp, right there. Memories of my mama. This other lamp and this coffee table. So the coffee tables right there. Them coffee tables right there. When that time when we was living in New Iberia, and then in this picture behind me and this mirror behind me right here, uh, uh well it's for my mama. That picture over there and stuff like that. The three mirrors above that them things right here. These mirrors, Shamika gave me that, you know. She my best friend. I wish y'all can see what Shamika looked like though. Beautiful Shamika, you know. And no, don't get it twisted, okay? We like brother and sister. You understand? I hate when people say, "Oh, you like her." No, I don't. Not like that, you know. I guess Shamika gave me this, you know. Like I say, we just friends, you know. I hate when people say that. I hate when people say, "Oh, you like her." The hell with that, you know. Like I say, I get very frustrated when somebody say this or that, you know. All ready for this? My auntie Cynthia gave me this. I really appreciate it. That's why I kept this, you know. I appreciate my auntie giving me this. That's why I kept it. I bought this myself. You know, when I went to the Family Dollar, I saw this and I had to get it. Yep, my Auntie Cynthia gave me this. Yep, thank you, Auntie Cynthia. She got me this too. I found this in the closet. This was for my mama, and this Amazing Grace thing was for my mama. Yep, yeah. This was for my mama too. These are mine. Mm-hmm. Yep. So anyway, that's all I'm saying, y'all. Precious memories and everything. At least I still have these pillars, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. So yeah. That's all, you know. All right. Well, if my auntie, I don't know if she want me to mention her name or whatnot, you know, has some stuff, then I'll keep that stuff for memories too, you know. Even if it be sofas or anything, like pictures or whatever, you know. Uh-huh. So at least I got one thing of my grandmother, her nightstand or whatever, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, stuff from people that mean a lot to me, you know. Mm-hmm. So the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-huh. Well, let me cut this light on right quick. Look at myself in the mirror. Yep, it's me. All right. Yeah. So this mirror, I'm a cherish for the rest of my life as long as I live. If it survive a few years, you know. I don't know how long my mom had this and that clock up there. I put it up there last year, you know. So I don't know how long my mom had that clock. It was from an old agency we had, you know. Nintendo focus camera. Nintendo. Now you're playing with power. Yep. Want game frenzy? We've got it. Play it loud. Yep. We had this poster, lost it. We didn't lose this in Katrina, you know. We lost it completely. Yep. Well, this one we had lost this completely, you know. We never had this poster, you know. But this one we lost completely, you know. Welcome to the next level. This one, welcome to the next level. Okay. Yep. So hard to say goodbye to the good memories. This Nintendo poster we never had. Now you're playing with power. Okay. I wonder if Buck had this poster. I doubted if Buck had this poster, but he had Mario 3. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this was from my mama. Be thankful for the blessings of each new day. This was from my mama too, you know. Precious memories of my mama though. She never hung it up in this house. She did hung it up in the in the house where we used to live in in uh in Metairie, you know. So the way I think about it, y'all, I mean, uh, don't know what else to say though. Okay, so that's all. So far, so good. You know, precious memories of all. You know, and money can't replace precious memories. You know, hmm the pillars, the sofas that's gone that was from my mama, and now my auntie Gloria sofas is gone and stuff like that. hmm I wanted, so I couldn't keep it. You know. All right, but at least I got something for the memories of my mama, though. You know, at least she bought us video games, bubblegum machine, M&M machines, and stuff like that. Yep. hmm And Shamika doing the same thing with with her two kids. You know, her two girls. You know, giving them good stuff. You know. And not only that though, who else that I can recall that's doing the same thing? You know. At least Nyla doing the same thing for her little girl. Nyla and Brittany, Erica too. My friend Erica, you know. Yeah, Erica. Yeah, but I'm not gonna say where she work at though. Okay. All right. So good morning, everybody. It's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff. Just the name of this Facebook Live video. It's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff. You know, so I guess I'm gonna take with me the memories to feel the sunshine while it rains or after it rains. Hey, it's so hard to say goodbye to good stuff. Well, just not I'm not GC Cameron or or, or Nathan Michael, Sean and Wanye of Boys to Men. You know, I can't sing. Period. I really can't sing. You understand? That's all. All right. So that's all for now. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Peace out.